Good morning, all. In this session, we are going to discuss about the possibilities of generating e-certificates by using Google Forms, and it's really a need of the hour. When we are at homes, we have been conducting lots of programs, either inter-institutional or intra-institutional programs, right? So, in such cases, we are forced to provide some e-certificates to our participants, signed by you or signed by the organizers of the program. So how can you do that? For that, you just need to create a test or feedback form as per your choice by using a Google form, and you can send the generated e-certificates to the participants' email ID. So that is what we are going to discuss now. To start, you need to go to forms.google.com. Forms.google.com you go. As we have already discussed this, I'm not going in deep to the features of Google Forms. And I'll just click on a blank use, or I can click on blank also, then create a new one. And I can come here, you go to settings, you enable the queues, ensure that in quizzes you have enabled the queues. Okay, that is what you have to do. And you can collect email address also, because you need to share the certificate into email address. And again, if you need to restrict only to once, you can restrict. Okay, otherwise multiple times from one person itself can make certificates. Now you give the form name and title. So here I'll do e-certificate generation demo. Okay, I'll click here. Now the description you can enter, leave it. Now I'm asking their name. Okay, I need the respondent's name. Sometimes we will have to identify the name. So it's not a question, so I'm not giving any marks. After that, I'll add question 1. Okay, question 1 I'll add, and question 1 I'll add, and again now uh, I'll add some option, wrong option 1, right option. Okay, now I shall go to answer key, and I'll give to right option as the right answer. I'll choose 5 marks for this question. Now I'll move to the next one, question 2. I'll have the same way, and okay, right option, I'll click answer key and I'll give 5 marks. I'll create one more question, question 3. Okay, I'll go to answer key, I'll give 5 marks. So total 15 points are, this test is having 3 questions, and total score, maximum score is 15 marks. Okay, now what I need to do for a certificate generation is that certificate generation is not the inbuilt feature of Google Form. For that, you need to go to options and install an add-on. So click here, 3 dots, then click on add-ons. Add-ons you click, then you install, find an add-on here, Certify. Okay, Certify you search, Certify EM. Then you can install, click on this Certify EM and install that application. Okay, click on install, do installation, then come back. Then when you add some add-ons here, an icon like this will be added here. Click on that, then you click on the Certify EM. Please wait, please wait. Now you come here and see the add-on icon here. Click on add-on icon. Then you can click on Certify EM. Then you click on Enable Certify. Okay, Enable Certify you click. Then you can click on Get Started. Get Started you click. And that Certify EM's pop-up menu will be displayed here. Now first thing you need to do is you please click on Turn On. Okay, click on Turn On, so that you are enabling certificate. For this certification will be enabled after you click on Turn On, and you can set how much, what is your pass mark. If it's 0, anybody who takes the test will be getting certificate, or if it's 50, those who now I'll set 40. Now I can choose the theme of the certificate here. Okay, the theme of the certificates are there here. I can choose, or I can use a custom template also. Okay, now what shall I do? I'll just select a theme. Or otherwise I can do a custom theme. What shall I do now? Better I'll just make a slides. I'll go Google Slides. I'll go. So how to go to Google Slides? Slides.google, sorry, docs.google.com. I'll go. I'll have slides. I'll go. You need to design the certificate in slides, Google Slides, right? You have to go there. Now you can create a certificate. You can create a certificate. You can add the institutional title. Okay, I'm not telling much about the design and all. So here, title of the institution, title of the program you can add. Okay, name of the college, name of the organizer, host, name of the host institute, and address. Their address you can add. Now what shall you do? Okay, now you can add, this is to certificate format. You can add, this is to certify that. Then here the name, no, so you can add name. Okay, name that has successfully completed the program organized by or held during 1st June 2022, 5th June 2020. and here you can add the signatures. After that, you can add the signature here. Okay, signature you can insert the name of the organizer. So a sample format I'll show you. So this is how what we have done. Okay, now here full name you can add, full name. Now this is done. If your name has to be printed in different color, you please select the color which you need. Was that color font? Okay. Title of the program, if you want in different way, you can print it. Okay. So this is how, and if you need your name to be little bit bigger, so this is done. Now you click certificate demo. Okay, done. Now you will go to form, and here you can choose use a custom. And here you will choose certificate demo. Yeah, certificate demo you will choose and save changes. Now you just it's on. Now you do this, you just go to settings, it's everything you check, save you do. Now you share it to your participants. This link you can share. Now I shall share it to you all. Yeah, please do that. Click on the link and do some certificate, get some certificate. Please click on the link. How to do that? You just click on the link, then click on the link, the name, email address, at mes.ac.in. The name you add. Now you choose right option or wrong option, up to you. If you come under that criteria, you will be scoring. Now you just check your email. You can check your Gmail. Certificate will be there. It may take some time also. Okay, it may take some time. Don't expect that in the next second itself it will come always. Don't expect so. It may take some time. Yeah, you are telling that you have received certificate. So this is how you need to do. Let me do. Now you see certificate will be sent to all the participants. So I can monitor how many Sujitra has scored certificate. Dr. T. Olia Sanktam has received certificate. Like that I can monitor also. And I have got one certificate, I think. Yeah. See, I have also got certificate. And again, if you need to know how many the certificates details, you click on show certificate controls. Now, after that, you can certificate records. You click on certificate records so that a record of all the certificates. So if somebody comes and takes certificate, you can identify that. Even their Gmail ID, you can come to know. So do that. But whenever you organize certificate, don't give access to all, because people will share it to others who did not participate in the program. Because now many of us are having certificate mania. Okay, thank you very much. So this is how you can generate certificate. I hope you will make use of this session, and I hope you have enjoyed this session. And I wish to know, how do you feel about all our session? If you are benefited out of our session, please click on yes. Not only this one, I'm asking about last 3-4 days sessions. You can click on yes or no. Okay, thank you very much. I think everybody are benefited, and this is my first program in last 50 days having less participants. Otherwise, in all the programs we have 200, 250. In some programs we had 500 plus also, but still no issue. The number doesn't matter. The things which we learn from each other does matter. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm getting many messages. Make use of all these things. Okay. Thank you very much. We'll meet tomorrow. Please stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.